Looking to automate sending blog post updates to your subscribers via Marketo? Digesto is the original RSS to email application for Marketo to send your blog or news updates through Marketo emails easily and beautifully across all devices. In this short demo, we'll show you how it works. First, you'll need a valid RSS or Atom feed connected to your site. The feed contains all the relevant data from recent posts, such as post title, image, description, author, and so on. Digesto will check your feed for new posts at any schedule you set. If it doesn't find any, nothing happens until the next scheduled run. If it finds new posts, it will pass the information from the posts into your Marketo instance via the Marketo API and execute a send campaign to send an email to your subscribers. Now let's look at how it's all set up in Digesto and Marketo. Once you've connected your Digesto account to your Marketo instance via REST API, you would go ahead and create a digest in Digesto. At the top, you can give the digest a name, paste in your RSS feed, choose the maximum number of posts you'd like to include in each email, then pick a template. You can either use your own Marketo template or pick one of ours, which are professionally designed, mobile responsive, and tested across all the different email clients. When you pick one of ours, the corresponding Marketo HTML template will be pushed to your design studio in Marketo. We'll come back to look at the Marketo side of things in a moment. For now, let's look at the Digesto part of the template. This is where you can configure how the posts will look in your emails. In other words, things like post title, author, date, description, image, and so on. All of these items can be designed and formatted as you choose, and whether or not you even display them is completely up to you. Once you've got your template in place, it's time to move on to your digest schedule. Here, you can choose how often Digesto scans your feed for new posts, whether that be daily, weekly, monthly, or even multiple times a day. As we mentioned earlier, if there are no new posts at the scheduled run, nothing will happen and it will wait until the next scheduled time. If it finds new posts, Digesto will include up to as many maximum posts you've selected in the email. Finally, here's the connection to Marketo. Each digest has a corresponding program template it communicates with in Marketo. This is a simple default or email program that has 3 tokens, an email, and 2 send campaigns. Here in the email, you'll see that the my.digesto email content token is where the posts will be pulled in and will look exactly as how you set them up in the Digest template editor. The my.digesto email subject token is optional. It can populate the subject line of the email with the most recent post title when the email gets sent out. Here's a sample of what a finished email might look like. Once you've got your email set up as you'd like in the Marketo program, you can create the 2 smart campaigns. The test campaign is as you'd imagine, for testing purposes. It's for sending test emails to you and or your team at any point in time. The production email campaign is the one that Digesto will trigger to send the email to your subscribers if there's new content detected at the scheduled run. You don't execute these campaigns manually in Marketo, but rather, they're controlled by the digest in Digesto. If you hit the test button in the digest, it'll send the test email 5 minutes after pressing it. If you turn the digest on, it will run at whatever schedule you've set and send email updates to your subscribers whenever it finds new content. And that's it. Digesto is truly set it and forget it technology. You won't ever have to touch it again unless you want to change the schedule or update your template. Get started with your own Digesto account today by joining the 5-day Blog to Marketo email challenge or sign up for a 14-day free trial at digesto.io.